You know, this is not a sting operation, something that we're trying to surprise kids with. So we've been very upfront with students and parents and families that we have these vape detectors. Our goal is to help students make better choices.
Eaton Rapids High School principal Derek Lowndes says vaping in the school bathrooms became even more common after returning from COVID.
We were getting a lot of reports from other students that, you know, hey, there's 3 kids in the bathroom vaping.
A very hard area to monitor until the school found an effective solution: vaping detectors that can also detect marijuana and aggression.
And so it has been a deterrent to possession and use in the school, and it's given a sense of comfort to other kids that don't want to be involved or around it.
The school's resource officer says Eaton Rapids is no exception to the nationwide increase in underage vaping, but that the sensors have successfully reduced reports of use at school. Principal Lowndes says students have told him they finally feel comfortable using the school bathroom again.
And that's really our heart and goal in the issue, is to prevent vaping, not to be trying to catch more kids making poor choices.